What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on this crypto called TIA Celestia, which has pumped up over 50% in the last 24 hours and currently trading at $3.71. So we're going to be going through why is it pumping up so much, is this a crypto we should buy, avoid, or if you're on a profit, should you sell it, or should you simply hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially heading above $5 over the coming days, weeks, months, and going into 2024. Is this a must-have crypto in your wallet? That's what we're also going to be going through as well. But before I get into all that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So before I go any further, as you guys can probably see, there is not much historical data on this crypto. It only got launched on the 2nd of November, which was just under 10 days ago. So the long-term prediction is not possible, but I'll try my best to give you guys as much information and as much prediction as I can on this crypto. But do bear in mind that this is a new crypto and there is not much historical data on it. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as you guys can see, usually when I get the MACD indicator, there's a little chart at the bottom here. However, it's not here because we are looking at the daily chart, meaning we won't be able to do the long-term prediction. So let me zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term prediction. So as you guys can see at the top, there's a purple line running across the chart. This gives us the average value of Celestia, which is here in purple at $3.50. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value here in red at $3.71, meaning it's still performing quite well and better than expected. So before I go any further, just a little disclaimer, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the bullish direction, looking bullish, going towards a positive direction, and the orange line is more or less slightly slanting towards the positive direction as well. So we do have both the lines looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from Celestia over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting this crypto to be trading around just below $4 is what I'm expecting. But in between that time, it's possible that is likely to head above $4, potentially to $4.20, $4.30, and then drop back down to just below $4 by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So yes, do expect both red and green candlesticks up and down. It's going to be quite volatile, just like how it's been over the last couple of hours. As you guys can see, it's pumped up, dropped back down, right now pumping again. That is what's likely to carry on, but slightly moving towards the positive direction. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The orange line has now dropped, guys. Is looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, but the blue line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking positive and one's looking negative. So what does this mean? Personally, an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from Celestia over the next week or so. So let's say towards the end of next week, I am expecting this crypto to be trading below the $3 mark, potentially around $2.50 is where I'm expecting Celestia to be trading at by the end of next week. But in between that time, it is possible for this crypto to pump up to above $5. It's going to be quite volatile. Even if it does pump up above $5 by mid to late next week, is likely to drop back down to around $2.50. So yes, guys, do expect both green and red days in the next couple of days. But once again, the overall outcome at this point seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect an overall drop in value. Now, we're not going to move on to the daily chart because there's no chart, and I'm not going to do that prediction because it's not going to be accurate, and I don't want to provide you guys with false or inaccurate information. But what I can do is keep you guys updated on Celestia on a regular basis. If you guys want that, comment that down below how often you guys want these updates on this crypto, and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale, and we're gonna have to do a little bit of an adjustment here just to get the figures correct. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level here, top zone here. What I explained earlier regarding Celestia dropping down to $2.50 over the coming days is that it should drop back down into the red zone by the end of next week. So slowly it will head down here over the next couple of days, and then here, and then end up in the red zone, as I'm not expecting any major pumps or major bull runs for this crypto unless the owner comes up with an update or an upgrade or anything like that with any exciting news that can have a potential impact on its value. But nothing like that has been announced as of yet, and I'm not seeing anything for the foreseeable future as well. But again, for those of you guys who are bullish on this crypto, comment down below what your expectations are. I've seen a lot of people saying it's going to hit $10. Personally, hitting $10 not anytime soon. Once I get more historical data and more analysis on this crypto, then I'll be able to analyze, but I'm not expecting this crypto to hit $10 anytime soon, as I'm expecting it to drop back down in value, as I explained earlier on in the video. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up nearly 300% in the last 24 hours, making it $592 million in trading, which is again a huge amount of trading in the last 24 hours. A lot more people are interested in the crypto, as it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So of course it's going to get a lot of traction, a lot more buyers and a lot more sellers as well. If they are seeing their profits, why not sell it, and potentially they can reinvest whenever it drops back down in value. So for those of you guys asking, would I buy it right now? Personally, no, I wouldn't, as I am expecting it to drop back down. And yeah, even if it does drop back down to around $2.50, I doubt that I will buy the crypto. Only reason is it is still a fairly new crypto. It's new to the crypto world. Anything can happen. It can crash back down. Even, you need more analysis on it. But at the moment, I'm gonna stay away from this crypto. But if you guys want me to, I'll keep you guys updated on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe. And if you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well, and I'll be doing those updates for you guys. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff, guys. You know what to do, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.